Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Iqra bismi rabbika alladhi khalaq. Read in the name of your Lord. We've been reading now for a few years, and I'm hoping, inshallah, to have some really interesting books that we're going to be looking at in the coming months. And he also talked in the hadith about the black spot that's on every human heart,
where he interprets the Abraham and Isaac story as a suspension of the ethical.
Muslims resist sometimes because they are under the danger of elimination.
Natural selection mechanism lacks the creative power.
But given the judgment to say Allah is going to reward you if you did something good, or is going to punish you if you did something bad, this is only coming from God.
In order for us to submit and become who we really are in essence, we have to know ourselves.
Perhaps there was really no mention of heresy in the contemporaneous sources.
The idea is not just to chant, the idea is to actually learn this knowledge and have it transformational.
I just thought it was so interesting of man's first disobedience and the fruit. This month we're going to be reading one of my favorite books. It's going to be a challenge, but there is so much to learn.
Thank you for the wonderful discussion, and
I hope there will be more sessions.
Thank you for the gift of helping us, and I really hope that we can gift back in helping you become better readers. Join us, inshallah. Wassalamu alaikum.